Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you how to add image in your WordPress page. So here in this you can see that we have an image on the right side. So today we are going to learn how we can add these images in our WordPress site. So first of all, to create this, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, and we have already created one page. So let's go to the pages, and here we have already one page. So what I will do, I will click on edit, and then it will load my edit page, and here you will get this edit with Elementor. So let's load our page with Elementor. Once you will click on that edit with Elementor option, you will see like that Elementor page builder is loading. So once your Elementor page builder is loaded, now you can here add the sections, whatever section you want to add, and all these things. So what I will do, let me show you how you can add an image in this. So first of all, click on this plus icon, and when you will click on this plus icon, it will ask you to create a section. So I am going to take a single section with 2 column. So now I have a 2 column over here. So whenever you will click on these 9, you are going to get a lot of options. So what I am going to do here, I will search for an image, and this is here you can see that this is the image widget. Now you can take this image widget to any of this right column or left column, anywhere you can require. After that, here it is asking us to choose an image. So we have to add image in our media library, then we can add that image in our site. Now what we have to do, we have to upload our file. So you can you either drag or drop the file which you want to upload, or you can select the files if you want to upload by selecting it. So here you can see that I have dragged it, and once you will drag here, it will get upload. After that, we have to click on this insert media, and now you can see able to see our image. So here these are some of the image sizes. Like if you want some pre-built image size like medium, large, or if you want to set a custom size like 350 width and 350 height, if I want to set, you just only have to click on apply, and it will set your image size. Now if you want to change the alignment also, you can change the alignment of the image. And then here if you want to give any caption to your image, like this is an image, so here now you can see we are getting this caption in this image. So you can add a custom caption or attachment caption here. And then if you want to set any link like media file, or if you want to set any custom URL to this image, you can use that one also. And now when you will go to this style tab, you can set default width like 100% width, maximum width, height, and then you can also set the opacity of the image. If you want to change the CSS filter of the image, like on normal, if you want to make it black and white, you can do like this. And on hover, if you want to make it color, you can make the saturation and everything to normal, and here you can see you are getting this effect when I am hover over it, that black and white image is changing to color. So and then you can also add a hover animation to your image. Suppose here I have added a plus hover animation. So when I am hover over this image, it is showing a plus animation. And then here you can set the caption style, caption spacing, caption text color, whatever caption alignment, everything you can set it over here. And in this image setting, if you want to add a border, let me show you. Here you can add the border like this also, and you can also add a hover over animation. And then these are the basic settings that we need to know about how to add an image in our WordPress site. Please like and subscribe our channel if you really like our video, and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future update. Thank you so much.